How to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. This process allows you to easily move funds between these two popular payment platforms, so let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have both Cash App and Apple Pay set up on your device. If you haven't done this yet, download Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple Pay App Store and follow the prompts to create an account. For Apple Pay, ensure you have your credit or debit card linked through the Wallet app. Currently, you cannot transfer directly from Apple Pay to Cash App. However, you can transfer funds from Apple Pay to your linked bank account and then add them to Cash App. So start by opening the Wallet app, select the Apple Cash Card and tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and choose Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Next, select the transfer speed. You can choose instant with a small fee, which moves the money immediately, or standard, which is free but may take 1 to 3 business days. Confirm the transition to your bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, open Cash App. Tap on your balance at the top of the screen, then select Add Cash. Enter the amount you wish to add and tap Add. This amount will be deducted from your linked bank account, moving the funds into your Cash App balance. You'll receive a notification confirming that the funds have been added to your Cash App. You can now use this balance to make payments, send money to friends, or cash out to your bank account. And that's how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. While it requires a few steps, it's a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.